11 p.m. It's gonna be a long night. Three in the morning, peeps. We're just tying it up, last few scenes with a Nova rope opening campaign edit. And I'm tired, sweating, stinking. Still need to eat dinner, haven't eaten anything. Tried to save myself for this, staying light. Final 2 shots to go. I'm dead, legs are gone. It's gonna be worth it though, isn't it, CJ? Yeah, he said yeah. He's excited. He's running on empty, poor guy, man. Grind's real, man.
Well, I mean, like I said, like there's only one person, or there's a few people in this world that I would do this for.
See, that's it, man. That's the goals. Only a few people in the world he would do this for. One of them's me. I'll do this for you as well, bruv.
Is it?
Yeah.
Is it? Can you build me a HQ?
Yeah. Of course, bruv.
And you would naturally, as you began on this adventure of dreams, you would fulfill all your wishes.
Speed rope and the legacy one, and I said I do like the legacy, but after a few minutes, like my arms are dead, and I think this can't wait to try. Because I think it's like the perfect medium.
What do you think of the rope?
Oh, it's unbelievable. A rope between the speed rope and the legacy, but to have the opportunity to have both built into one, it's endless. Great rope that's been created by rushing.
It's amazing. It feels super smooth, super clean. It's definitely more of a workout than the money rope, though. The money rope's a lot lighter, so.
Do you find it more difficult to do doubles and crossovers?
I actually don't. I think because it moves so smoothly that actually it's not any harder to do the moves. It's perfect for doing the tricks, but as you can tell from the sweat, it's a lot more of a workout. But the tricks kind of flow naturally, so it works nicely.
Girls is killing it. It's too sick. Nice. Gee, skills peaks. Sick. That's spot there. Too sick. Too sick.
It's actually really smooth.
Liking it?
Yeah, love it.
When did you start?
Like 4 months ago.
Only 4 months?
Yeah.
Your skills are sick. Where did you learn?
The one and only. Yeah.
She knows, man. She knows. How you finding your day?
Amazing.
So I'm just like stuck in the camera right in your face.
I know. How
you finding the rope?
Love it.
You already had a little test of it back in the day, right?
I want to take one home today.
Wicked, you can.
If I can.
Got Jude in the house.
Hey.
What are you saying?
Good. How are you?
Long travel.
Nice to be
I'm
back.
good. Thanks for asking, man. Big up, man. I've got a main man, Stu, in the house again.
Hi there. And the Nova rope is brilliant. In the early days, my wrists, and I've still got this problem, my wrists don't flick as much as they could do.
Yeah.
But with a bit of weight in the rope, it actually makes the more difficult moves easier.
Dude, you still got it, man. After all these years. Oh,
There you go.
you're walking promo for us, man. You mind sharing your age?
60.
60 people, legend.
This is great.
Yeah?
I mean, I work out with the legacy a lot.
Yeah.
It's nice and light in comparison to that.
Yeah.
So it's like it moves so much easier and slicker. It doesn't take as much moving around.
Yeah.
Legacy's brilliant because you're not a proper workout, but you're knackered so fast.
Nice. Oh, he's got the footwork, people. Sharp.
Yeah.
Very silky.
Like you say, footwork is key.
Footwork is key.
Footwork is key.
That's where we cut there. That was good.
Hello.
Say bye to YouTube.
Bye.
Big up.
Great day out.
See you later.
It's good to everyone stay safe,
Big
peace,
love.
and all that.
I love that. cool peeps. Drink break? Yeah? I might need a drink break, man. I'm tired.
Oh wow. Just in the background.
Nice.
Hey guys!
Hi.
How'd you find the skipping workshop?
Good. It was great. We learned new skills and how to skip backwards.
Yeah.
Cardio, very fun.
Yeah, and it was very entertaining. Like as much as it was exercise, it was very good.
Yeah.
Who's the best?
Me.
This
Yeah, she learned how to backwards skip.
I'm the best.
Do you think you guys will do it now, like out of school and stuff?
100%.
Yeah.
100%.
My name's Priya Dinesha. I'm the head of safeguarding, wellbeing and PSHE at Global Academy. My background's boxing, so to me skipping is one of my staples, and you know it's always fun sort of seeing the tricks and things that people can do on social media. Knowing our students, I knew they'd embrace it and they'd love to do something different. They're always up for doing something different and a little bit fun, a little bit cool, I suppose. It's got the cool factor as well. The kids, they loved it. It brought out a super competitive side to them. They really enjoyed like doing something different. It's gone down really, really well. They absolutely loved it.
Customary, always give a little spud. Big up. Thank you for having me.
You're very welcome.
We'll be back
Thanks for
tomorrow.
being here.
Thank
Cheers.
you.
Was the knight in shining armor in your movie? Would put your lips on mine and love the aftertaste now.